what I want to do in this segment is to turn first to the so-called apocryphal Gospels, beginning with some that describe Jesus as a baby, as a young child, teaching the alphabet and the meaning of letters to grown-up people when he is barely 1 or 2 years old. The infancy gospel of Thomas, in which Jesus fashions some birds out of the ancient equivalent of a sandbox. More ominously, this is the text from which a playmate who is taunting him receives his wrath as Jesus says to him, stretching out his hand, "Be thou withered up." And the kid shrivels up. These are frivolous. These are playful. These are at times horrifying childhood miracles, simply trying to glorify the young Jesus, but they are without any historical value.